Jamaica, a small island nestled in the Caribbean Sea, known for reggae music, breathtaking beaches, and Usain Bolt's lightning speed. But here's a fact that might surprise you. Jamaica has produced a staggering number of world-renowned writers. Think about it. How does this tiny island, a dot on the map, produce literary giants who captivate readers worldwide? What's in the water? Or maybe what's in the stories themselves? These authors, with their unique voices and powerful narratives, have earned prestigious awards, from the Man Booker Prize to the Commonwealth Writers' Prize. Their words have traveled across continents, touching hearts and minds. They've given us stories that are raw, real, and undeniably captivating. So are these writers just touched by a stroke of genius? Or is there something more? Something deeper, richer, and uniquely Jamaican that fuels their extraordinary talent? This is the question we're diving deep into today. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of Jamaican literature. We're about to uncover the secrets behind the Brilliance. We'll journey through the heart of Jamaica, exploring its vibrant culture, its tumultuous history, and its people's indomitable spirit. Prepare to be captivated by the rhythm of the language, the depth of the stories, and the power of the voices that emerge from this small island with a giant literary legacy. Hold tight, because this is going to be a journey you won't forget. We're about to answer the question, why are Jamaican writers so good? Stay tuned. Here's the thing, Jamaican literature doesn't always get the spotlight it deserves. We hear about the island's music, its athletes, its stunning landscapes. But what about the stories born from its soil, the narratives woven from its history and heartbeat? They often get lost in the noise, overshadowed by the more stereotypical images of Jamaica. It's like a hidden treasure chest, tucked away in plain sight. We see the island, we hear its music, but we don't always hear its writers' voices with the clarity they deserve. Their words, rich with history, struggle, joy, and resilience, deserve to be heard, celebrated, and explored. Why aren't we talking about Jamaican literature with the same fervor we discuss the latest blockbuster movie or chart-topping song? Why don't these stories, bursting with life and originality, dominate literary discussions worldwide? These are questions we need to confront. It's time to shine a light on these unsung storytellers, to bring their words out of the shadows and into the global conversation. Jamaica's image, while vibrant and alluring, can sometimes be one-dimensional. We see the beaches, hear the reggae, taste the jerk chicken. And while those are all fantastic parts of the Jamaican experience, they're just fragments of a much larger, more complex picture. Jamaica is more than just a vacation destination. It's a country with a rich, tumultuous history, a tapestry woven from the threads of colonialism, slavery, emancipation, and independence. It's a place where cultures collide and blend, creating a unique identity shaped by resilience, creativity, and an unyielding spirit. And Jamaican literature reflects this complexity in all its rawness and beauty. It dives deep into the island's soul, exploring themes of identity, social injustice, love, loss, and the everyday struggles of its people. To truly understand Jamaica, you have to go beyond the surface, beyond the tourist brochures and preconceived notions. You have to delve into its literature where the island's heart beats the loudest. Here's the fascinating part. While deeply rooted in Jamaican experiences, these stories resonate far beyond the island's shores. They speak to universal human emotions and experiences that connect with readers from all walks of life. Whether it's the struggle for identity, the fight against injustice, or the search for love and belonging, these are themes that transcend borders and cultural differences. Jamaican writers tap into the core of the human experience, making their stories relatable and powerful for readers worldwide. We often talk about the importance of diversity in literature, of hearing voices from different backgrounds and experiences. Jamaican literature, with its unique perspective and powerful narratives, is a prime example of why this diversity is so crucial. It enriches the global literary landscape, offering fresh perspectives, challenging assumptions, and reminding us of the power of storytelling to connect us all. To understand Jamaican writing, you have to understand Jamaican history. This island has seen it all: colonization, slavery, emancipation, independence. Each era, each struggle, each triumph is etched into the soul of Jamaica. and you'll find these echoes in its literature. From the brutal realities of plantation life to the fight for freedom and self-determination, Jamaican history is a story of resilience, resistance, and an unyielding spirit. These themes are woven into the very fabric of Jamaican literature, giving it a weight, a depth, a raw honesty that's impossible to ignore. Think of it like this: every word a Jamaican writer puts on paper is backed by generations of experience. It's history whispering through the lines, ancestors speaking through the narratives. That's a powerful legacy. It's not just about recounting historical events, it's about capturing the emotional core of those experiences, the impact they've had on generations, and how they continue to shape Jamaican identity today. Music is the heartbeat of Jamaica. Reggae, ska, dancehall. These rhythms aren't just sounds, they're expressions of life, reflections of joy, pain, struggle, and celebration. And this musicality, it seeps into Jamaican writing, giving it a rhythm, a flow, a lyrical quality that's uniquely captivating. Think about the way language flows in a reggae song. The cadence, the repetition, the way words are used to create a feeling, a vibe. You'll find that same vibrancy, that same musicality pulsing through the pages of Jamaican novels, poems, and plays. It's not just about pretty words, it's about using language as an instrument to create a rhythm, a melody that draws you in and keeps you hooked. It's about making the words sing, making them dance on the page. This musical influence gives Jamaican writing a distinct energy, a vibrancy that sets it apart. It's like the island's heartbeat is infused into every sentence, every paragraph, every story. From patois to page, a linguistic tapestry. You know, Jamaica's linguistic landscape is as diverse as its people. English might be the official language, but it's the vibrant Jamaican patois that truly captures the island's soul. And this vibrant dialect, with its unique grammar and colourful expressions, plays a crucial role in shaping the distinctive voice of Jamaican literature. Patois isn't just slang, it's a language born from resistance, a fusion of African languages and European tongues, a testament to the resilience of a people determined to preserve their heritage. And when this language finds its way onto the page, it explodes with authenticity, with a raw, unfiltered energy that's impossible to replicate. This infusion of patois gives Jamaican writing an undeniable authenticity, a flavor that's both familiar and refreshingly new. It allows writers to capture the nuances of Jamaican culture, the humor, the warmth, the struggles, and the triumphs in a way that standard English simply can't. It's a celebration of linguistic diversity, a testament to the power of language to reflect the soul of a people. Oral traditions, where stories come alive. Long before pen met paper, stories in Jamaica were shared through the power of the spoken word. Oral traditions passed down through generations are the lifeblood of Jamaican storytelling. These traditions, rich with folklore, myths, and ancestral wisdom, continue to shape the way Jamaican writers craft their narratives today. Think about those late-night gatherings, families huddled together, elders weaving tales of tricksters and spirits, of heroes and villains, of love, loss, and lessons learned. Those stories, told and retold, become ingrained in the cultural memory, shaping the way Jamaicans see the world, understand their past, and imagine their future. This tradition of oral storytelling infuses Jamaican writing with a sense of community, a shared history, a connection to something larger than oneself. It's about the rhythm of the language, the cadence of the storytelling, the way a story unfolds through vivid imagery and captivating dialogue. It's about bringing those stories to life, not just through words on a page, but through the echoes of voices that have resonated for generations. Literary legends, a glimpse into brilliance. Now let's put names to the brilliance we've been discussing. Jamaica boasts a constellation of literary stars, each shining bright with their own unique style and impact. From the gritty realism of Marley James to the poetic prose of Olive Sr. and the lyrical storytelling of Kay Miller, these authors have captivated readers worldwide, garnering prestigious awards and solidifying Jamaica's place on the global literary stage. Their stories, deeply rooted in Jamaican experiences, transcend borders, captivating readers with their raw honesty, their lyrical prose, and their unflinching exploration of themes that resonate with us all: identity, love, loss, social injustice, and the resilience of the human spirit. We'll delve into the lives and works of these literary giants, exploring what makes their writing so captivating, so thought-provoking, and so undeniably Jamaican. Get ready to add some new authors to your reading list, because you won't want to miss out on the magic they create with their words. This is just a taste of the literary brilliance that Jamaica has to offer. Get ready to be inspired, challenged, and utterly captivated by the power of Jamaican storytelling. Marlon James, A Brief History of Literary Dominance. Let's start with a literary heavyweight, a man who needs no introduction but deserves every ounce of praise: Marlon James. This Jamaican-born author has taken the literary world by storm, and his groundbreaking novel, A Brief History of 7 Killings, catapulted him to international acclaim, earning him the prestigious 2015 Man Booker Prize. James's writing is not for the faint of heart. It's raw, gritty, unflinchingly honest, and often violent. But beneath the surface, you'll find an undeniable lyricism, a deep understanding of the human psyche, and a profound exploration of Jamaican culture and history. A Brief History of 7 Killings is a sprawling, polyphonic epic that delves into the attempted assassination of Bob Marley in 1976, weaving a complex narrative that explores Jamaican politics, gang violence, and the socio-political landscape of the 1970s and 80s. James's ability to weave together multiple perspectives and voices is masterful, creating a rich tapestry of Jamaican life that's both captivating and disturbing. Marlon James doesn't shy away from difficult topics. He confronts them head-on, forcing us to confront the complexities of history, identity, and the human condition. His work is a testament to the power of storytelling to challenge, provoke, and ultimately enlighten. Olive Senior weaving tales of resilience and identity. Next, we journey into the world of Olive Senior, a literary icon whose words have left an indelible mark on Jamaican literature. Senior's writing is characterized by its lyrical prose, its keen observations of Jamaican society, and its exploration of themes of womanhood, identity, and the complexities of family relationships. Her collection of short stories, Summer Lightning, is a must-read for anyone seeking to understand the nuances of Jamaican life. Senior's stories are often set in rural Jamaica, and she has a remarkable ability to capture the rhythm of rural life, the warmth of its people, and the challenges they face. Senior's work often explores the experiences of women navigating a patriarchal society, their struggles for agency, and their resilience in the face of adversity. Her stories are both deeply personal and universally relatable, touching on themes of love, loss, betrayal, and the search for belonging. Olive Senior's writing is a gift, a treasure trove of stories that transport you to the heart of Jamaica, immersing you in its culture, its people, and its enduring spirit. Kay Miller, a poetic voice, echoing across generations. Let's turn our attention to Kay Miller, a writer whose words flow with a poetic grace that is both captivating and thought-provoking. Miller is a master of language, weaving intricate tapestries with his prose, exploring themes of sexuality, masculinity, colonialism, and the search for identity in a rapidly changing world. His award-winning novel, A Brightness Long Ago, transports readers to 15th century Jamaica and Europe, interweaving historical events with fictional narratives to explore themes of love, loss, fate, and the lasting impact of colonialism. Miller's writing is both lyrical and accessible, drawing readers into his meticulously crafted worlds with ease. Miller's work often challenges conventional notions of identity, particularly concerning sexuality and masculinity. His writing is courageous, honest, and deeply personal, offering a fresh perspective on what it means to be a Jamaican man in the 21st century. Kay Miller's writing is a testament to the power of language to transport, to challenge, and to illuminate the complexities of the human experience. He is a vital voice in contemporary literature, pushing boundaries and sparking important conversations with each carefully crafted sentence. The legacy continues. A new wave of storytellers. These literary giants have paved the way for a new generation of Jamaican writers, each adding their unique voice to the chorus of Jamaican storytelling. Authors like Nicole Dennis Benn, Marlon James, and Garnett Cadogan are captivating readers with their fresh perspectives, their bold explorations of contemporary issues, and their unwavering commitment to showcasing the multifaceted nature of Jamaican identity. These emerging voices are tackling a wide range of themes, from immigration and sexuality to climate change and the ongoing effects of colonialism. They are unafraid to challenge the status quo, to push boundaries, and to spark important conversations through their writing. The future of Jamaican literature is bright, fueled by the passion, creativity, and resilience of its storytellers. As new voices emerge, they continue to shape the global literary landscape, ensuring that Jamaican literature remains a vital force in the world of storytelling. So keep an eye out for these names, and get ready to be captivated by the next generation of literary giants emerging from the vibrant island of Jamaica. The art of storytelling. Unveiling the Jamaican flair. What sets Jamaican writers apart isn't just their stories, it's the way they tell them. They possess an innate ability to draw you in, to make you feel like you're part of the narrative, experiencing every sight, sound, and emotion alongside their characters. It's like they've mastered a secret formula for captivating storytelling. The influence of the oral tradition is undeniable. Jamaican writers often employ a conversational style, weaving in vivid imagery, evocative language, and a musicality that reflects the rhythm of everyday speech. Their sentences flow with a natural cadence, pulling you along for the ride. Then, there's the humor. Even in the face of adversity, there's often a thread of wit, a playful use of language that adds a layer of complexity and authenticity to their writing. It's a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit finds ways to laugh, to cope, to find joy. This unique blend of lyrical prose, captivating dialogue, and sharp wit creates an immersive reading experience, making it impossible to put down a book by a Jamaican author. Beyond the surface, diving into emotional depths. Jamaican writers don't shy away from exploring the depths of human emotion. Their stories delve into the complexities of love, loss, betrayal, joy, pain, and everything in between. They lay bare the human condition, exposing both our vulnerabilities and our strengths with unflinching honesty. They tackle difficult subjects head-on: colonialism's lasting impact, the struggle for identity in a post-colonial world, the complexities of race, class, and gender. They don't offer easy answers or sugarcoat the realities of life. Instead, they force us to confront uncomfortable truths and grapple with the complexities of the human experience. And yet, amidst the darkness, there's always a glimmer of hope, a resilience of spirit, a determination to overcome adversity, a belief in the power of love and community to heal even the deepest wounds. It's this ability to find light in the darkness that makes Jamaican literature so profoundly moving and ultimately so inspiring. Their stories stay with you long after you've finished reading, prompting reflection, challenging your perspectives, and leaving you with a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. A tapestry of authenticity, culture, woven into words. One of the most striking aspects of Jamaican literature is its unwavering authenticity. These writers don't just tell stories, they breathe life into their words, infusing them with the sights, sounds, smells, and rhythms of Jamaican culture. Reading their work is like stepping directly into the heart of the island. The use of language is key to this authenticity. Jamaican writers seamlessly blend standard English with patois, capturing the nuances of everyday speech and creating a rhythm and flow that's uniquely Jamaican. This linguistic tapestry adds a layer of richness and depth to their writing, making it both accessible and captivating. They also weave in cultural elements with a deft hand. Food, music, folklore, traditions, and social customs all find their way onto the page, creating a vibrant and immersive reading experience. You can almost taste the jerk chicken, hear the reggae music pulsing in the background, and feel the warmth of the Jamaican sun on your skin. This deep connection to their cultural heritage infuses their writing with an undeniable power, making it a true celebration of Jamaican identity and a gift to readers worldwide. the enduring power of Jamaican storytelling. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the heart of Jamaican literature, explored its history, its rhythms, its linguistic tapestry, and the extraordinary talent it has produced. We've delved into the depths of its stories, felt the pulse of its language, and witnessed the power of its cultural heritage. What makes Jamaican writers so good? It's not a simple answer. It's a fusion of factors, a history etched in resilience, a culture steeped in rhythm and oral tradition, a language that sings and dances on the page, and an unwavering commitment to authenticity. But most importantly, it's the stories themselves. Stories that are raw, real, and unflinchingly honest. Stories that challenge, provoke, and ultimately connect us all through shared human experiences. Stories that stay with you long after you've turned the final page. Jamaican literature is a testament to the power of storytelling to transport, to illuminate, and to inspire. It's a celebration of cultural identity, a gift to the world, and a reminder that even the smallest of islands can produce the most extraordinary voices. So go explore the world of Jamaican literature. Discover its magic. You won't be disappointed. Now it's your turn. Explore the world of Jamaican literature. That's the story of why Jamaican writers are so good, but the real journey starts now. It's your turn to experience the magic of Jamaican literature firsthand. Dive into the worlds they create, meet their unforgettable characters, and let their words transport you to the heart of Jamaica. Start your exploration by checking out the authors we've discussed: Marlon James, Olive Sr., Kay Miller, and the many other talented writers shaping the landscape of Jamaican literature. Look for their books at your local library, bookstore, or online. You won't regret it. And don't stop there. Share this video with your friends, family, and fellow book lovers. Let's spread the word about the power and beauty of Jamaican literature. Let's celebrate these incredible writers and ensure their stories continue to captivate readers for generations to come. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, get reading, and immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Jamaican storytelling. Trust me, your bookshelf will thank you for it.